Here is how you can claim your PAWS token into your Bybit account. It's very easy. It only involves few steps. Just make sure you follow me to the end to get it all. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Phantom wallet. You have to tap on your Phantom app to open it. I'm on my Phantom wallet, but let me go back now so I show you guys how you can begin. Let me go back now. You can see here's the home page of the Phantom wallet. So let me tap on the search icon at the bottom right. You can see it's right there. So let me tap on it. Then what I'll do now is tap on the search icon at the top. You can see that search bar right there. Let me tap on it. Then let me type in PAWS.community. You have to type it in so that you can have access to the PAWS website on this Phantom wallet, on this Phantom app. So let me tap search. Right here you can see we have been logged in now. So the next step you have to take now is to go over to the Telegram dashboard, to the PAWS website dashboard. You can do that by tapping on where you can see TG dashboard. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see next. You can see it right there on the right hand side. So let me tap on next. You can see it there. Then what you have to do now is to tap on the first option, which is claim. So let me tap on claim. Then what you have to do now is to agree to the terms and conditions by ticking that circle right there on the left hand side. So let me tick it, then let me tap on continue. Right here you have to choose the withdrawal option. You can see we have two withdrawal options there, the centralized exchange and on-chain withdrawal. The one you have to go for is the first one, which is centralized exchange. So let me tap on it. You can see it right there. BitGet and Bybit are examples of centralized exchange. You can see now we have two options here, Bybit and BitGet. The one you have to go for is the first one, which is Bybit. So let me tap on the first one. Right here is the next step. You can see what is there. Do you have a Bybit account? Of course I do. So what I will do now is to tap on the second option, which is yes I do. If you don't have it, tap on the first one, which is no. So let me tap on yes I do, since I have a Bybit account. Then right here are the requirements that you need to provide in order to claim your PAWS token. You can see it right there, your Bybit ID, then your PAWS deposit address. I have this already, so what I'll do now is to paste them. But in case you've not gotten yours, I've already made a dedicated video on how you can get your Bybit ID and also your PAWS deposit address. Just go over to the description of this video or over to the comment section. You will see the video links right there. Tap on the links, they'll be able to watch and learn how you can get that. So let me go ahead now to paste mine, since I have it already. Just watch the videos down there in the description, tap on it, they'll be able to learn how to get your Bybit ID and also your PAWS deposit address. It's very easy. So let me go ahead now to paste mine. Right there guys, you can see I've pasted my Bybit ID and also my wallet address, my PAWS wallet address. So let me tap on continue down there. Right here guys is the next step. You can see they say check your data. So you have to confirm if your Bybit ID and also your PAWS deposit address are correct. If they are correct, then you tap on continue. So let me tap on continue. Then right here is the next step, which is the final step. What you have to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue real quick. Wow, you can see it right there, done. You receive your token into your Bybit account before trading starts. So this is how you can claim your PAWS token to Bybit. Bye.